turns out that the foil that they use on the nails, like, you have to have a glue for that. And the salon I just went to, they didn't have the glue for it. The lady who was doing my nails, she told me that she had the glue at home. And she was like, do you want to do like any other design? I told her, no, I want the lace, like the dentelle. I really like it. So I'm coming back tomorrow in the morning to like just do the tips of my nails. Okay guys, I'm back in my room. I'm gonna show you how my nails look because this lighting is way better. So I'm gonna start the haul. I got everything from Shein, by the way. I also got this candle wick, and I was actually hesitant to buy either this color or black, but I thought this one is like, it's pretty for my room. It just fits better than the black. Also got these candle holders. As you can see, it's like 3 lengths. The black one is way cheaper than the silver one. So you guys usually ask me where I get the color for Snowy. I actually get it from Shein, and I usually buy one every 2 months maybe, because it gets really dirty by time, so I just get them from Shein. I also got one for Lily, and I can't really put like colors on Lily because his face is so chubby, you guys, so I usually never put any colors on him, but I'm gonna try this one. It's my first time getting it, so I'm just gonna see if it looks as cute as the pink one. I'm gonna always put it for him. And it also came with a bell, and I removed it. If you have a cat, you guys, be careful not to put the colors that have bells on them, because it's really bad for their ears. I got these candles also. Let me show you. Okay, I'm gonna unbox this candle. I love red, by the way, especially this shade of red. It's like burgundy. It's not my favorite as in like color-wise, because I love pink, but when I wear outfits, I really love how burgundy looks on me. Like, I feel like it always compliments me. I also got these candles, and they also look similar to the red ones actually. I got so many red ones, you guys. I stocked a lot for Halloween. So now we have like, okay, so these, I think they're black, but when they melt, it's like red, you know? So let's see. I'm gonna also show you how they look on my setup later, and I'm gonna show you how I decorate my setup, like Halloween themed and stuff, you know? So let's see. Yeah, that's what I assumed. They're black. Once they melt, it turns like red, like yay, like it's a mix. I got these tattoos because in our religion it's haram to put tattoos, so I got these. I don't know, I'm gonna try them. I think the last time I put like these kinds of tattoos was when I was a kid, but I saw that Shein has a lot of them. I also got these tattoos. Guys, look how sick these look. Like, oh my god, look. They look so real. And I'm gonna do this on my Halloween costume. I'm gonna wear like the Silent Hill nurse. So I'm gonna put it like all over my body. I got this cap, nurse cap. I don't know what it's called, honestly. But this is how it looks. And of course, I'm gonna paint it. I actually never tried to do the face mask for the Silent Hill nurse, but I've seen a lot of people doing it on TikTok, so I'm gonna do like everything with you guys. I'm gonna film the whole customization because it's literally all DIY, but the dress didn't arrive yet, so I'm waiting for that to arrive. I got 6 pairs of nails. I got this one, it's like black with like a moon, and I got these ones. I don't have a lot of black nails. I got this one, guys, look how cool. And I like that it's short. I feel like it's comfortable to wear like for every day. Look at this one too. These would look so good with the Silent Hill costume.
No! No! Motherfucker! This is the opening, mother... Yeah.
Anyways, these are the nails. If you watch the Vampire Diaries, you're gonna know. Like, you're gonna know the vibe. A crow. I know it's weird. But it looks spooky. I got keyboard charms. If you've seen my Instagram account, you probably saw that I have like a keyboard that I customized, and it was inspired by my bestie Gio. So basically I just customized one keyboard in the past. Never tried customizing any other keyboard. So do you guys see this bag? These are a bunch of keyboard charms. I got so many of these charms from AliExpress, from Shein. I got them from many like websites, and I put them all in this bag. And now I'm gonna put like the new ones, which are these. I'm gonna put all of these in this bag. These are like angel wings. I'm gonna show you guys. I got this like bandage. It has like blood on it. I'm gonna use it for the Silent Hill cosplay. And I also got 3 fake bloods. This is like a blood spray. I'm gonna be using these on the face mask. Guys, these are the cutest keychains ever. It's like a deer. This is the first one. And I got these bats also for my keyboard. Also got these mini spiders. I feel like I'm just gonna use them as decoration, you know, for my setup or like anywhere. I'll just check where I'm gonna put it. So that's all for the haul, guys. If you liked anything, if you want the number of any of these, you can just ask me in the comments. Or you can just screenshot and search for the product on Shein, because they have like the option to search for images. And you can search for any product I just showed you guys. I also got this skirt. And I'm gonna use it for the 𝘰𝘀𝘺 cosplay. I also got a top for this. Like, I just need black tights. I think I'm gonna buy ones from Amazon. Okay guys, now I'm just gonna start getting ready because I'm going out with my friend and I'm gonna watch the Victoria's Secret fashion show.
يما مسجد السلام عليكم. انت بسك شوف عن جدال. لا يطلب لين
شيذنقة بحاول هين يما لعيونك بس. حبيبي الحين أويلي تحمستنا. السلام عليكم بفنتا. دايريا